In primetime news this evening, police brutality, damning video brings renewed concerns about cops. Backward move, Indicom boss responds to minister's suggestion to amend act.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, how prepared are you for a hurricane?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.